So, good day everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate the step-by-step process of creating a learning website using Google Sites. So, this tool allows teachers to organize lessons, activities, and assessments in one accessible online platform for students. So, let us begin with the steps on how to create and design a Google site for classroom use. So first, you need to access the Google Sites. First, open the browser and go to sites.google.com. So make sure that you are logged into your Google account. Once this page opens, click the blank site button to start creating a new site. So this will open the Google Sites editor where you can begin designing your learning website. Okay? So next, we will name the website. So you can put the name of your school or your class. For example, mine, I have Philippine Politics and Governance. So you can make it or edit it, whatever font size you want to use. So you can choose from here. You can change the font size, bold, italize, or anything. Okay, so at the left corner, type the name of your site. For example, again, let me say, or let's just say PPG, Learning Portal. So click on the header section and type the title of the lesson, such as one lesson for Philippine politics is the LGU or local government unit. Okay. So here we have insert. We can insert text box, embed images, and of course drive. Then we also have here some pages and themes. You may also change the header using image to make the website visually appealing and engaging for students. So you can upload or you can select. So let's just say this one. So you can, okay, so it will be visually appealing and engaging to your students. Now we will try to add some pages. So to organize the learning materials, click the page or pages here on the right side of the screen, then click the plus sign to add new pages. So you have a section, a full page embed, new link, or a new page. So you can have a home, lesson, for example, lesson content. Then you can also have activities. And of course, you also can insert here, for example, assessment. Then again, you can change the font style. Okay, so I want them to be uniform. So we can change them, the font. Alright, so we already have here the home, and then lesson content, activities, and of course, assessment. Okay, here, next we go to the Insert tab. Here you can add different types of learning resources. For example, a text box again, text box, images, embed, and then Drive. So for instance, you want to insert a Google slide presentation that explains the lesson topic. So this allows students to view the presentation directly on the website. So you will need to embed here. So you can choose from here. So we have here carousel button, divider, spacer, social links, YouTube, calendar, map, docs, slides, sheet, forum, and then charts. Okay, so now let us add some activity section. So open the activity page. So here, activity. Okay. And then, of course, insert text box and write the instruction here. So you may include tasks such as reflection questions or short exercises or group discussion prompt. So you will type here your instruction. And of course, again, you can insert some Google Docs worksheet where students can answer their tasks. This makes the learning process more interactive. So if you are done inserting, making pages, changing the themes, you can now publish your website. So once the site is complete, click the publish button located at the upper right corner. You will be asked to create a web address for your site. And after publishing, you can share the link with your students so they can access the learning materials anytime. So that is how we can create a simple educational website using the Google Sites. Though through this tool, teachers can organize lessons, provide activities, and access student learning in one digital platform. So using educational technology like Google Sites helps create a more interactive, accessible, and engaging learning environment for our students. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something from me today. Thank you.